This is going to be a video tutorial on how to run the command prompt as an administrator in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To run the command prompt as the administrator, there's several different ways you can do that. Probably the easiest way is to go down to your taskbar down here, and you want to click on the little magnifying glass. Click on that. Then in this little search field up here, little search box, you want to type in CMD. And then right down here you could see it says Command Prompt App. Down below that you could see it says Run as Administrator. You could click on this here, or you could right click on the command prompt icon here, and you can click Run as Administrator here. It'll ask you, do you want to make changes to this device? You click on Yes. And then here's your command prompt. That is how you run the command prompt as administrator in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.